Hey y'all, get you back real quick here. Hoping I'm not covering up the speaker. Got my dorky glasses on. You want to leave as much of the structure here as you can. As you start grinding away where it's broke, you know, when you saw in the other video, it was white, and the white stuff is actually where the resin has been compromised, and the material has been compromised, and it's no longer emulsified, so to speak. Right, so you got to grind until you get most of that stuff out of there, but you don't want to take all of it out in the case of to keeping the structure there to repair it. I mean, we could literally grind this thing apart so it's a big gap all here, and then, you know, we don't want to do that. That's not what you want to do. So, like, I could take this bit out of here, but you don't need to. We're going to put the tape in the back. We'll do the repair out here. You can see how we ground this all down, so this will get built up from here to here. And then we can't really see it, but we actually ground the surface of this down. And the glass you're going to lay in is going to gradually get larger, right? You'll start with something small, and then you'll go a little bigger, then maybe a little bit bigger, all the way up to, you know, this here and then that piece there. And you'll build it all up. This stuff here we'll put with the microspheres, you know, that we've already mixed up with, and we got the resin ready to go. Pick a brush that's appropriate to what you're doing, not too big, not too small. And what we'll do is we'll put the tape on the inside. We'll put the spheres in here, throw some of that little chop in there, just to build it up, you know. And then we'll build our way up, and we'll thicken all this up and strengthen it all up. And when that cures, we'll go on the inside. We'll bust out the fiberglass burr. This thing's gnarly, and we'll hog out that compromised bit there, and then we'll do the cosmetic part of the repair on the inside, which is really just a touch-up. You know, all the structural repair is going to be done on the outside. So that's it. I'm going to get started here real quick, and this should just 10 minutes and we're done. So always make sure you have enough acetone to clean your brush, even though they only cost $1. I got just enough. All right, we'll see you in a few minutes.